Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are fine. By the grace of Allah, I'm also fine today. So guys, right now I'm in Abbas Kamil Madrasa. And
we are coming Abbas Madrasa.
sorry, we are coming Abbas Kamil Madrasa because I have a friends with me at this
definitely.
time. So that's why he's saying that. We are coming and we are traveling. We are just seeing the Abbas Kamil Madrasa.
For making video.
Correctly. For making video, right?
Yeah.
And sometimes when I get free time, when we get free time, most of the times I come here, we come here.
We come here
and we spend our free time here. And I have made so many video, so many short video from here, so many YouTube channel, so many YouTube video we have made from this.
I think our viewers already watching this video.
Yeah. What is the location of this place?
Yeah.
This located Muktagasa Purushabha,
Notun Bazar.
Yeah, near the Muktagasa Purushabha, and it is located beside the Maimansingh city at Muktagasa. And this is the famous and great Abbas Kamil Madrasa. This is the only one of madrasa in this area, right?
A long time ago, we was make a blog.
Long time ago I made a video from Abbas Kamil Madrasa, but I think it was not perfect. The quality was not good.
Because that time we didn't enjoy.
I didn't enjoy the video.
Yeah, we didn't have so much camera.
So my dear viewers, in the background, behind the background, you are watching. What is the large size of Abbas Kamil Madrasa? So huge madrasa. If I show you, the madrasa is so huge. In this area is so huge, and totally the construction worker is working. There will be a mosque there. There will be a new mosque there, and it will be another famous mosque, right?
Yes.
Another famous mosque, and it will be
in Muktagasa.
It will be huge mosque. And one of the things I want to share with you, that is before 3 years ago, I have studied in Abbas Kamil Madrasa, and we have studied in Abbas Kamil Madrasa. That time I like this madrasa very much. And after completing our study from Abbas Kamil Madrasa, we
didn't have this building.
That time there was not this building, but this building is new building. Recently it has created, it has made the building. It has made the government of our country. Government of our country. But I forget this word. How it's possible?
It doesn't matter.
Sometimes the word is not come out from our mouth.
Yeah.
And I forget sometimes the word. Easy word, but I forget. And I forget sometimes. So what I will say? This is crazy thing. Right.
Long time we didn't made the video.
From here we can capture we can capture the video from here, and I think the quality is so good from here, right? So do you want to say something about Abbas Madrasa? And actually I want to say that what is the quality of the teacher of Abbas Kamil Madrasa?
Yeah, I think Abbas Kamil Madrasa teacher is so good, and lots of teacher
experience.
Lots of teacher they have, and
they have so many
experience. Their teacher carefully,
and they takes care of the
student
properly. Takes care of
so many students. Take care management.
So my dear viewers, if I show you that things, this is the hostel of Abbas Kamil Madrasa. This is the hostel, and 2 years ago I have studied here, and I have spent so many times here. I have spent long time here before 2 years ago, but now I don't come here available. When I get free times, that time I come here, right?
Yes.
That time I come here, and now I'm working in the new building of Abbas Kamil Madrasa, and it was made just before some days ago, and it can be 3 months or 6 months ago, right? 6 months or so.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
It has made, this building has made
it has
6
made
months or so.
6 months or so. 6 months ago, I think 6 months ago.
6 months ago. And if I show you the all things from this Abbas Kamil Madrasa, all the brands has decorated, and there is a huge board here. It is decorated.
Yeah, it is decorated blackboard.
There is a laugh here. Laugh icon. Love icon. I think a student, his free time in the afternoon.
Yeah.
The door is open all time. So in the afternoon, student after coming here, they draw the love icon, right?
Yeah.
And actually, what I will say, and it is decorated by new way, ekdom new way. And after completing the all of work, and it will be so much decorated, and it will be so much well decorated, I will say, and colorful, right? And finally this building is so much colorful, I can say that. And I can say that this building is so much colorful. And this is one of the famous madrasa in Muftagas area, and there is no like this kind of madrasa. There is no madrasa like this kind of madrasa, right?
Yes.
Right, in Muftagas area. So what is your result in Abbas Kamil?
Yeah, Abbas Kamil Madrasa, my Dakhil result 4.105.
Oh, you are great. You are a great.
And Alim result
you are a great student.
4.07.
You are a great student. So do you wanna study again here?
Yeah.
You can do Kamil from here. Because you are international madrasa. This is the international madrasa, you can say.
Yeah.
And there is no madrasa in area like this kind of madrasa. So you can do Kamil from here. It's easily.
I hope I complete Alim at this place, at this madrasa. So I can admin Phrasal.
Yeah, you can admit it for
Phrasal.
No, what you are saying that you are doing degree just at this time. You are doing degree.
Yeah,
Phrasal and degree the same thing.
Yeah, definitely same things. But I had opportunity.
So you have an opportunity. You can do that. You can do that.
I can do that.
And you can do Kamil or you can do Phrasal as you wish.
Yeah, it's my thing.
But
my wish.
in this madrasa, I will say, so you have a chance. So you can do that. You have a chance from here. So I will do the same thing, because right now I'm doing honors in Shoaib City Golf College at this time.
But I don't have time. That's why I didn't do that.
Okay. You don't have time.
Yeah.
You had to so much busy.
Yeah.
You had to so much busy. You have your father's job, and most of the time
I'm doing business at father's shop, and most of the time I doing class.
Yes.
Doing class in our college, and sometimes I make video, and sometimes I practice a lot for improve our English level.
Yes.
And
my dear viewers, if I show you the all things properly, it's not clear. So it's not clear what I will show you.
Okay.
It's not clear.
You can go there.
And I will show you all things from here. I think it will be clear from here. Construction building. There are so many workers here, and they are working. They are working for making this building. They are working. And you are watching. There are so many tools here. Behind the background. You are watching. There are so many tools here for making this building. So and after making this building, it will be huge building. What I say, it will be huge building. And this is I will show you the kitchen of Abbas Kamil Madrasa. This will be secret. You are watching in the door. This is a kitchen. Women is cooking something. Women is cooking something. Cooker, you can say cooker. Cooker is cooking something from here, and I will show you the kitchen of this Abbas Kamil Madrasa. But I can't show you properly, because I can't go there. And it will not good for me, because I don't stay here at this time. If I stay here at this time, so I could go there. So tried a lot for showing so many things from Abbas Kamil Madrasa. So if you have a wish, you can come here and you can complete your study from Abbas Kamil Madrasa. All the classes have in Abbas Kamil Madrasa, but it's your wish, you can come here, but it will be good for you. It's a great madrasa. So my dear viewers, I think today I showed you the Abbas Kamil Madrasa properly. So I will show you this kind of college, this kind of, you can say, this kind of traditional building properly, more and more. So if you like that, never forget to hit the like button and to share with your friends and leave a comment in comment box. I will show you this kind of things again. So take care. Allah Hafiz.